How to add custom font on Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add custom fonts in Figma, whether you are using the desktop app or designing the right from your browser. Let's get right into it. First, make sure you have downloaded the custom font you want to use from a trusted site like Google Fonts or thefont.com. Next, once downloaded, install the font by double-clicking the file and selecting Install Font. Now, to use custom fonts in Figma, make sure you have downloaded Figma app on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now on Figma desktop app, it automatically accesses your system fonts. So for the Figma browser, click Help, then Downloads, and then Figma Font Helper and install it on your system. This lets Figma access to your local fonts. Now go back to your design and select the text tool on the toolbar, or you can simply click on T on your keyboard. Now choose your custom font from the drop-down list, and that's it. This is how you add custom font on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.